Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using Ready for Takeoff. For my base color, I'm going to be using Holo Taco's One Coat Black. And once I have that applied, I'm going to go around the nails with some liquid latex. And while I'm waiting for my latex to dry, I'm going to apply Girl on the Run from Pure Ice. This is just going to help protect my base color while I'm sponging on my gradient. For my gradient, I'm going to be using China Glaze T is for Tinsel. And also I'm going to be using Midnight Spark from Holo Taco. To apply these polishes in a gradient on my nail, I'm just going to be using some makeup sponges that I get at the drugstore. And I want the silver to go on the towards the cuticle of my nail, and Midnight Spark to go towards the tip. So what I'm going to do to achieve that is I'm going to put T is for Tinsel here, and then I'm going to put Midnight Spark on this side. Then we're just going to stamp it onto the nail. And this is going to need a couple of coats. My nails aren't that long, so I'm just using the two colors. And as you can see, the silver kind of takes over the blue just a little bit, but we are going to work on that. Right now I'm just going to take my tweezers and I'm going to grab a hold of the latex if I can. There we go. And I'm just going to very carefully peel it off while the polish is still wet. I meant to do it as I was completing each layer of the gradient, but I forgot. I went ahead and did a little bit of cleanup and added sticky base coat just to give my stamping a chance to stick. And for my stamping polish, I'm going to be using Blackjack from Pueen. And for my stamping plate, I'm using Maniology MO54, and I'm using the star image right here. And of course, I'm using my Maniology stamper and scraper. And I'm just going to stamp the star image on all of the nails. But as you guys saw, I spent way longer cleaning up this manicure than I had wanted because I forgot to put my liquid latex back on before the stamping. But on the bright side, I was able to stamp these two nails with the same picked up stamp. I was able to stamp these two nails with the same picked up stamp, and then I used one whole stamp for my thumb. Just a way for me to save stamping polish. And since I spent such a long time cleaning up this manicure, I want to make sure that it lasts a very long time. So what I'm going to do to accomplish that is add Super Glossy Taco from Holo Taco. And that completes this manicure. I don't know how well you guys can actually see the stamp, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will be posting pictures on the day that this uploads. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at NoWorriesNailArt, no caps and no spaces. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already. Like and comment on this video telling me your favorite polish from Holo Taco. I upload every Monday at 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time, and I'll see you guys next week.